Yeah, what's going on YouTube? It's Louis here, bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Today for the Bitcoin price, we can see this potential double bottom happening. This will only come into play if we break this line here, and our target will be 40,000. I'll see you. Welcome back guys to the Louis FX channel. So the other day, on my birthday actually, I believe that Bitcoin bottomed out at $28,000. Let's get the exact price. Boom, $28,600. The confluence to that is that when we've bounced up from here, this low is now higher than that low, so we've got higher lows. So this is a potential uptrend. For it to continue the uptrend, we need to have higher highs, and so we'd like to get higher than this high. And the breakout target for that, for the W double bottom pattern, we'd measure from the tip back to the neckline, so that blue line over here, and then wherever it breaks out, that would be a target. So if you want me to make a tutorial on the W double bottom pattern, please give it a thumbs up. So going back, we need to break above here. If not, Bitcoin can go further down. We could come back down to this line for a retest before coming back up to here, or if not, Bitcoin will, if we lose 30,000, will come to 27,000 over here, this area, 25 to 27,000. So guys, I don't believe Bitcoin will go further down than the lowest low here, 28,000. Reason being is that this is a accumulation manipulation pattern called the Wyckoff accumulation pattern, and this, as you can see here, this spring action, this is the lowest low, and if we're having lower lows and lower highs, that's a downtrend. But as you can see here, it went up. Why? Because this is a manipulation pattern. So here we go, we have the lowest low of this you could say Bitcoin crash, Bitcoin dip. So this is the lowest point of it. So theoretically, technically, it should carry on down. But we had a similar thing happening with Bitcoin at the top of the market. We had higher highs, higher high, but we didn't go into an uptrend. We went into a downtrend. So what is happening here is exactly happening here, just flipped, basically upside down. So if we zoom in, let's draw a downtrend to see if we're still in a downtrend. So going through these points here, and then you can see we're respecting it as resistance, drop, respected as resistance, drop, respected as resistance, dropped. Then we broke through support, went up, but we failed to get above this box, so we came back down. But as long as this is higher than this, we're good, and that is respecting the uptrend, because an uptrend is higher highs and higher lows. So if Bitcoin were to make a higher high over this, then we would have a breakout target, as I said at the start of the video, $40,000, somewhere in and around there. So more confluences to this would be that Bitcoin is following Elliott wave theory. So you can see here we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then we have wave 5 over here. So this means that it's now done. It's 5 waves, and so the trend should change. And so we could get, this could potentially be wave 1, and then we get wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, and then wave 5. And then what would follow is an ABC correction. So something like this, A, B, C. But as you can see, this correction here, this low would still be higher than this, keeping the uptrend basically. And so Bitcoin would continue its recovery. Now, if we looked at the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, and we zoomed in and we turned on the moving averages, we can look at the 50 moving average. And then what we need to stay bullish is for Bitcoin to close the weekly candle, which is the end of today, above this orange line, as I mentioned in the previous video. What we want to see is Bitcoin respect this line. So we want it to close above and respect it as support, just like it has here on the previous weeks here. But if Bitcoin closes below, and let's say this line extends like that, and Bitcoin stays below, we do not want Bitcoin to come back to the line and respect it as resistance, because if so, then we're going into a bear market. But if we get back above then we'll be fine. Again guys, if you want me to make a video on the double bottom pattern, the W double bottom pattern, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe for more. Alright guys, as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.